Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to turn on a BMW X5 with a key. First, ensure your key fob is securely inside the vehicle, perhaps in a cup holder or your pocket. Next, place your right foot firmly on the brake pedal. With the brake engaged, locate the Start/Stop Engine button, usually found on the dashboard, and press it once. Your BMW X5 should now power on smoothly and be ready for your journey. For your BMW X5 to start, it needs to successfully detect the key fob signal. It is best to keep the key fob in a clear, central location within the cabin, such as a cup holder or the center console. Try to avoid placing the key fob near other electronic devices like mobile phones, as these can sometimes interfere with the signal. A strong, clear signal ensures a reliable start every time. If your BMW X5 does not start immediately, there are a few common things to check. First, the key fob battery might be low. Consider replacing it with a fresh one. If you have a second key fob, try using that one to rule out a faulty key. Also, always ensure the gear selector is firmly in either park or neutral, as the vehicle will not start in any other gear position. Here are a few more helpful tips for starting your BMW X5. If the steering wheel feels locked, gently turn it left and right while pressing the start button. Always ensure all vehicle doors, including the trunk, are completely closed, as an open door can prevent starting. If you continue to experience persistent starting issues, it is wise to have your vehicle's main battery professionally checked by a qualified technician.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.